Want to know the secrets to making money online? This video will help. Anymore, it is hard to earn enough money to pay the bills. The sad fact is that many don't know how to make the change to better their situation. Making money online can go a long way to help. These tips can help you learn the basics. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. If you like to write, then think about Squidoo or even InfoBarrel where you can share revenue for your content. You can write about things that interest you and you make money from it. You can even combine this with an affiliate program through Amazon.com to further boost your earning potential. When looking for opportunities to make money online, try the big name companies first. Amazon and eBay, for example, are trusted and have proven to work for millions of people. While it can be safe and lucrative to go with unknowns, the big companies have track records, tools and other ways of ensuring your success from the get-go. It can take a good amount of your time to get properly schooled on making money online. So start off small, in a few areas and find out what you enjoy doing and what has the most potential. Find a mentor and make sure to do your homework. You can make money if you have an open mind. Beware sites where you have to make a bid to complete someone's work. These sites devalue you based on the fact that the lowest bid most frequently wins. There will be some people hiring on these sites who are decent, of course, but the bulk just want their work done cheaply. If you do not want to put a large monetary investment into your online business, consider buying and selling domains. Basically, purchase a domain at a rock-bottom price. From there, sell it for a profit. Remember, though, to do your research and figure out which domain names are in demand. Translate documents if you are fluent in a second language and want to make money on the side. Check out the freelancing sites to find people who will need things altered into a different language. This can be anyone from a large corporation to an individual who wants to translate something for a friend. There are thousands of ways to make money online, so don't pigeonhole yourself to just one method. Open up multiple avenues of revenue so that one drying up won't leave you in the lurch. If you plan to work on websites, also offer social media management too, for example. It's easy to make money online. You can start making money as soon as today. Many are doing it. Why can't you? Learn as much as you can to make money fast. Student loan,